Sure. Here's a polished 550-word YouTube video script for the 2025 Range Rover, structured with the flow you requested and written in paragraph form under your channel name USA Cars Diaries. Welcome back to USA Cars Diaries, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews on the best cars hitting American roads. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Range Rover, a luxury SUV that continues to define elegance, capability, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a luxury cruiser, this vehicle has something for everyone. The Range Rover has always stood as a symbol of British refinement and rugged performance. For 2025, Land Rover pushes the boundaries even further with new upgrades across design, powertrains, and tech. This SUV blends traditional craftsmanship with modern innovation, offering a driving experience that's both powerful and plush. New for 2025 is the extended availability of the plug-in hybrid model, which now features a larger battery for improved electric-only range. Land Rover has also introduced updated software for the infotainment system, making it faster and more responsive. There are subtle tweaks to the exterior, including new wheel designs and optional finishes, keeping the Range Rover fresh without straying from its iconic silhouette. Pricing for the 2025 Range Rover reflects its luxury status. The base SE model starts around $108,000. Step up to the Autobiography or SV trims, and you're looking at well over $150,000, with the high-performance SV models exceeding $210,000 when fully equipped. These prices are steep, but for many, the craftsmanship and features justify the cost. Under the hood, the Range Rover offers a variety of engines. The base models come with a mild hybrid inline-six that produces around 395 horsepower. There's also a twin-turbo V8 with over 520 horsepower for those who want serious muscle. The plug-in hybrid combines a turbocharged inline-six with an electric motor, producing a total of 542 horsepower and offering up to 50 miles of electric-only driving. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Fuel economy varies depending on the powertrain. The mild hybrid models average around 20 mpg combined, while the V8 models drop to the mid-teens. The plug-in hybrid offers the best efficiency, especially for those with short daily commutes who can maximize electric driving. In real-world conditions, owners report slightly lower numbers than the EPA estimates, but still competitive for a large luxury SUV. Step inside, and the 2025 Range Rover truly shines. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, filled with premium materials like real wood, leather, and aluminum. There's plenty of space in both rows, and long wheelbase versions offer executive-class rear seating. Cargo space is generous, and the split tailgate adds a practical touch for loading and tailgating. The infotainment system is anchored by a crisp 13.1-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital driver display, optional rear seat entertainment, and a Meridian surround sound system ensure everyone stays entertained and informed on the go. Safety and driver assistance features are extensive. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Higher trims add features like hands-free highway driving and advanced parking assist. To wrap things up, the 2025 Range Rover continues to set the standard for luxury SUVs. It's not just about opulence, it's also about capability, innovation, and a driving experience that few rivals can match. Whether you're cruising city streets or taking on backcountry trails, the Range Rover proves it can do it all in style. Thanks for watching USA Cars Diaries. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of the new Range Rover.